Hi, I'm Adrian from the Customer Education team here at Hotjar. In this video, I'll introduce you to the clicked element filter. The clicked element filter refines your session data by what your users clicked on. This could be a button, a link, or a CSS selector. You can also refine the filter by a specific page URL. The filter is ready to go in-app without needing extra code or developer help. Let's take a look. You'll find the clicked element filter in the Add Filter dropdown. Selecting the filter, you'll notice there's a number of conditions that define it. These include whether a click occurred or did not occur on the element, the button or link text for the element, the CSS selector, and the page URL. I'll now show you an example of how this works. On our demo site, we've noticed a lot of traffic, but not a lot of signups. I'd like to redesign this page to increase our signups. I'm looking for what might be preventing users clicking on our Sign Up Now button. This will help the team make some decisions about the redesign. Visiting our recordings tool, I'll first filter by users who visited the About Us page. Now I'll apply the clicked element filter. I'll then add the condition for where a click did not occur and set the button or link text to is Sign Up Now, which is the same text we find on that element. You can then watch some recordings to find out what's happening and get some ideas for improvement. After watching some recordings, I've noticed a pattern I'd like to back up with some heat map analysis. Looking at a scroll heat map for this page and having applied the clicked element filter with the same conditions, I can see we're not really getting a lot of these users even seeing the Sign Up Now button. I can take these findings back to the team and prioritize moving that button higher up on the page. If you have any questions about the clicked element filter, head to our help center at help.hotjar.com. There you'll find more use cases and some frequently asked questions about the clicked element filter. Happy Hotjarring!